Hello everyone, today we're gonna see some privacy settings for your Wi-Fi. Firstly, set a strong Wi-Fi password. Open a web browser and enter your router's IP address. Log in and then go to wireless, then wireless settings. In the password field, enter a strong unique password, at least 12 characters. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase and numbers, and avoid names, dates or common phrases, then click Save. Secondly, set a unique SSID, which is the Wi-Fi name. Log into your router and navigate to wireless, then wireless settings. In the network name field, type a new name and avoid using your name, address, brand or model of the router. Then just click Save. And thirdly, disable WPS. Log into your router settings again, go to wireless, then WPS. Toggle the WPS setting to off, then click Save. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.